Hello everyone, welcome to the class. So, RRB peer interview नवंबर 1 तारीख से होगा. So, today I'll share my interview experience of RRB PO and some important HR and banking question. So, first my interview experience. Interview date 9/11/2021. Interview place कोलकाता. पैनल 2, 7 सर और 1 मैडम थे. So they ask first introduce yourself, then they ask year gap, then what is PSL, then what is the problem facing by the farmer nowadays. So I tell about flood. So they ask what is how flood can be controlled and what is government role to control the flood. Next they ask what is GDP share of agriculture sector in India. Next, what is NPA? Then what is Surface Act? Next, मेरे कॉलेज के बगल में एक साइकिल कंपनी था बहुत दिन पहले. सो दे आस्क व्हाट इज नेम ऑफ द साइकिल कंपनी. नेक्स्ट दे आस्क नेम ऑफ द पुलिस कमिश्नर ऑफ माय सिटी. सो यही था मेरा इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस. मुझे 60+ मार्क्स मिला था इंटरव्यू में. नाउ सम HR क्वेश्चन. So tell me about yourself. Next, tell me about your native place. Then what is your father profession or mother profession? Why did not you join there? A important question है. Next, what are you doing after graduation? If you working, what is your job there? Why did you leave this job? Next, why do you want join banking industry? Then how your educational background helping banking sector? Okay, now next slide. Next question क्या है? What is the role of a PO? What is your strength? What is your weakness? In what occasion where you showcased your leadership skill? Are you a team player? What is your role model? Who is your role model? Next, what do you want to see yourself in 5 years? What is your bank preference and why? If you are posting in a village, how do you survive there? Next, why should we hire you? How do you handle pressure? ये था. ये भी बहुत important question है. Next, difference between confidence and overconfidence. Difference between hard work and smart work. If you get better opportunity, will you leave this job? What other bank's job you have applied for? What is your hobby? Would you lie for the sake of the job? On the scale of 10, rate yourself. On the scale of 10, rate us. Suppose you don't make it to the final list. What will you do? Do you have any question? Why do you want to join RRBs? What is your achievement till date? ये था HR question. Now banking question. Some banking question. What is bank? What is deposit? Types of deposit, financial inclusion, payment bank, small finance bank, types of loan. What is check? RBI function, types of check, RBI subsidiary, cash credit, overdraft, bill discount scheme, KCC, NBFC. What is UPI, APS, BSBD account, NEFT, RTGS? नेक्स्ट NRE अकाउंट, NRO अकाउंट, FCNR, KYC, CBS, KYC में क्या क्या डॉक्यूमेंट लगता है, स्विफ्ट कोड, NABARD, फंक्शन ऑफ NABARD, रोल ऑफ NABARD इन RRB, व्हाट इज RRB, फंक्शन ऑफ RRB. नेक्स्ट रोल ऑफ स्पॉन्सर बैंक इन RRB, स्पॉन्सर बैंक का काम क्या है RRB में. नेक्स्ट PSL, NBFC, स्मॉल एंड मार्जिनल फार्मर, मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी, CLR, SLR, एसेट लाइबिलिटी, NDTL, रेपो रेट, रिवर्स रेपो रेट, MSF, बैंक रेट, वेज एंड मीन्स स्कीम, OMO, MSS. नेक्स्ट रीफाइनेंस फैसिलिटी, इन्फ्लेशन, टाइप्स ऑफ इन्फ्लेशन, डी इन्फ्लेशन, disinflation, reinflation, recession, stagflation, NPA, substandard asset, Sarfashi Act, PSA, bad bank, money market. Next, different type of money market instrument, SHG, ZLG. Next KVS, no frill account, DICGC, difference between check and DD, what is Mudra, DSIB, green bond, masala bond, seed credit. Next reverse mortgage loan, bill of exchange, promissory note, microfinance, microcredit, pledge, hypothecation and mortgage. ये सब इंपॉर्टेंट बैंकिंग क्वेश्चन था. नाउ नेक्स्ट स्लाइड, प्रिपेयर बेसिक क्वेश्चन ऑफ योर एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड, जो भी है इंजीनियरिंग, BCom, BSc, BA, whatever you study, prepare some basic questions. They will ask some basic question, not in depth. No details about all the RRBs. आपका स्टेट में जितने सारे RRB है, उस RRB का हेडक्वार्टर, टैगलाइन, स्पॉन्सर बैंक का हेडक्वार्टर, नो ऑल द डिटेल्स. नेक्स्ट, नो अबाउट योर डिस्ट्रिक्ट, इंपॉर्टेंट पैलेस, क्रॉप्स, DM का नेम, कोई टेम्पल है, सब कुछ जानना है. नेक्स्ट, some controversial question, your views on some current topics like name change of India or Bharat, one nation, one election, Canada issue, Asian Games, World Cup. They will ask. And some situation based question like बैंक में 2 कस्टमर एक साथ आए हैं, तुम किसको प्रायोरिटी देंगे, एक लोन चाहिए तो क्या क्या डॉक्यूमेंट देखोगे, ये सब क्वेश्चन दे विल आस्क. नाउ सम टिप्स, बी कॉन्फिडेंट विथ योर आंसर. जो भी बोलना है कॉन्फिडेंस से बोलो. You know everything, but you cannot deliver the question properly. So delivering the question is important. So पढ़ने से ज़्यादा बोलना प्रैक्टिस करो. इस एक महीना है, एक महीने में जितने सारे बोलना प्रैक्टिस करोगे उतना सारा कॉन्फिडेंट मिलेगा उस टाइम. सो कॉन्फिडेंट योरसेल्फ. अगर कोई क्वेश्चन पता नहीं है, जस्ट डोंट नो, डोंट गिव रॉन्ग आंसर. नाउ ये इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है. रेडी द आंसर ऑफ इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ क्वेश्चन. इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ क्वेश्चन को ऐसे तैयार करो, उसमें कुछ पॉइंट डालो जिससे वो लोग क्वेश्चन पूछे एंड यू कैन कंट्रोल योर इंटरव्यू. If you don't give some point, then they will ask anything, but you give some point, then they will ask those topics and you can easily answer and you can kill some times. So prepare this question, introduce yourself. This is the most important question. Next, if you use any banking term in the answer, you should know the term very well, because in next question they will ask about the term you used in previous answer. So be prepared. Okay, so thank you.